Hey guys, so now you're at my screen so I can teach you how I do my Facebook product research. And what I basically do is I scroll through Facebook trying to find a winning product. And what I basically look for is engagement and video views. So for example, here, this is we know this is an ad because it says sponsored. Check out the latest in wooden eyewear and wristwear, 10% off your first order, just sign up. So nativeshades.com, they're selling this watch for $38.99. It has no engagement whatsoever on it. So I mean, it could be selling, maybe not. We don't know. I know for sure this is an AliExpress product because I know this brand. We can confirm really quick, but I'm pretty sure Bobo Bird. Yeah, so these are AliExpress items that they're selling. 21, and they're making a pretty decent profit off of them. So if we keep scrolling, these gloves are indestructible. So these are actually cool. Whenever you guys see one of these posts, this is actually really good because you see how this has no buy link, but it still has a lot of engagement on it. That's actually really good because if you can find one of these products on AliExpress, there's a really high chance that it'll be a winner. So these gloves are indestructible. So let's see if we can find that. Indestructible. We might find a winner right here. Oh, I misspelled that. Destructible gloves. No, I'm not finding. Let me see. Looks like a firefighter, so we can search up indestructible gloves firefighter. Huh. Wear resistance non-slip. No, no, it's not them. Okay. Well, that would have been a great example. So we can keep scrolling here. Let's keep scrolling, see if we find something, some Shopify results. What's this? No, never mind. Okay, so I'm hoping that you guys are seeing what the issue with this method is here, that you might have to keep scrolling for a very long time before you find a good ad. But one of the main reasons why I made this video was to actually show you an add-on that we use when we are doing our Facebook research, which is this add-on right here. It's a Chrome extension called Turbo Ad Finder. So the way that you download this extension is you can just go to Google. You go to google.com. You can put Turbo Ad Finder, and it's a free extension. And it'll be the first one to pop up here. So you just go there and you would put, mine says added to Chrome because I already have it. But if you didn't have it, you would just click here and it will add it. And let me show you how this works. This is actually a really good tool. We use it a lot. So you would just click here. So once you download it, it'll go up here with all your other extensions, and then you would just turn it on. And now you let it do its thing. So basically what this does is that it hides every post except sponsored posts. So now as we're scrolling, all we're seeing are ads. All of these are ads. You see they're all sponsored. Now this just cuts the time that it takes to find. You see, so here we just found one. Give it one gift. This has custom engraving on it and stuff, so it's probably a big brand store. I see these people advertise all the time. Twice as wise interactive electronic pets that respond to sound. These were actually pretty big. This is a copyright product though. We can't sell these. But these were actually a really big product here, so I can show you guys going back to google.com. Let me show you that product really quick. So, I mean, if that wasn't a copyright product, obviously it is. I already know this product because we actually tried selling it and we couldn't. The company contacted us. Let me exit that. But let me show you guys Google Trends. So this product is called the Fingerling. Check this product out. right now would be the perfect time to start selling this product. That's actually really neat that we found this product. I mean, unfortunately, it is copyright, but again, if it wasn't, this would have been a really great find. So we would have come here. So for the three requirements that we need for Google, the it is a hot selling product. It's trending. If you go on google.com and you put fingerlings, you see them here. Well, I mean, it's all being sold by the main company, obviously. So we can't even check the prices on this one. Oh, look, Walmart has it. I'm sure they're licensed to sell it though. And then we would also search on, see, just signing into our dummy account here. And what we would do here is go to the tools, keyword planner. So if you guys can remember, we're just trying to check right now the volume. Fingerlings. I already know this one will be good because again, we tried selling it. Oh, they actually can't find it. That's weird. I wonder if, oh, there it is. So yeah, 100K through 1 mil. Let's try without the S. See if anything happens. No, same thing. So yeah, 100K through 1 mil. So I mean, this was actually a really good product again if it wasn't copyrighted, but unfortunately it is. So don't try to go and sell this product. So yeah, just like that, I mean, we would have found a good product here. And that just tells you how powerful this method is. Here, what's this? Old My Clean works better than Mr. Clean. Our Magic Clean eraser is back in stock on sale. This looks doesn't have that much engagement. Yeah, it looks like a copyrighted product though. All My Clean, it looks like a brand. So we'll just keep scrolling. And I'm doing this on the go, guys, so we might find something, we might not. Flip disk. I don't know what that is. And also, since this is erasing or deleting all the other posts, sometimes it takes a while to load while you're scrolling down. What's this? This is one blade. Uh, so this has no link. So this is actually cool. Well, no, this looks branded. This looks like another copy. Yeah, Philips. That's a brand. Baby Elfie. Okay, wow. This is perfect. So this for sure is an AliExpress item, non-branded. It doesn't have engagement though. It does have a lot of views. So this can be an example. Sun Freaks, what do they call it? Baby Elfie. So we can go into the keyword planner and put Elfie. I know it's an Elfie drone. Let's see. So 1K through 10K. It's not terrible, you know? It's not terrible. It's still getting searches. Let's see. Elfie drone. Wow, these prices are really scattered. Okay. So yeah, I don't know why this Tom Top isn't top 3 because he does have a low price. It must be because of his bid. Because, I mean, if your price is competitive, you would basically be top 3. But it has to be because of the bid. GearBest is obviously going to have the cheapest price because it's like another AliExpress. Let's see. An AliExpress. Elfie drone. So this looks like it. 45. Wow. Okay, so let's say 40, 42, 45. So 42. And here we see 89, 75. So this product can definitely sell on Google. I mean, our price would be competitive. We would definitely be top 3 because of our price. We could sell this at 69, 59 and still make profit. It does get traffic, 1K through 10K monthly traffic to this product, so that's really good as well. So this, I mean, this right here can be a product that we would actually test. Obviously, we probably won't test this because it's in the course now, but this would actually be a good product to test. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here, guys. But as you can see, I mean, we found this product here, the drone. And again, if this product wasn't copyrighted here, this would have been a huge winner. Huge. Let me actually see. We forgot to go. Where is it? Here. Into the trends and put Elfie drone. I doubt this is trending. So it was trending back in May. Then it went back up here. Now it's going back down. It might, no, it's actually not going to go back up. So yeah, I mean the best time to sell it would have been in May, around May of 2017. But I mean, like I said, we could still test this product. We would have a good price. We have good search volume. And another important thing is that even though it's not trending up, it's still trending, so it still has a 32, which isn't terrible. So I mean, this product probably wouldn't be a huge winner, but it would probably bring us in around, I don't know, let's 100 through $200 a day of profit, which is still really good. And here we can see that it's trending mostly in Singapore, Malaysia, wow, not even in the US. So you see, this is why this is really important too. I would have advertised this in the US, but check this out. It's not, the US is not even top 10. It's not even top 10. That's interesting. So yeah, I mean, you can spend hours on Facebook just scrolling through here, finding products, but just remember, use this, use a Turbo Ad Finder. We'll probably have a link to it. I mean, even though you can just go on Google and search it up, we'll put a link for you guys to download it. It's a really good tool, and it really minimizes the time that you're spent here. I mean, from getting to the fingerlings to this product down here to the drone, it would have probably taken us another 5 minutes more. And that was just for that. If we would stay here for at least an hour, you could just imagine the time that we would save. So yeah, that wraps it up for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.